Alright, so boom. Although I've never understood the appeal behind bull riding, humans like to test their capabilities, and evidently it didn't work out in this gentleman's favor. He got knocked out on top of the bull, his spine misaligned, all kinds of kyphosis, scoliosis, lumbar lordosis, and lumbar stenosis. Look at him laying on the ground, lifeless, unable to move. Bull nearly stomped his ass out. And given all the technology that's out there right now, I'm not even sure if this AI or legitimate. All I know is Buddy might be dead. We gonna start from the beginning. Straight out the gate, he didn't have any control. Body all over the place. Prison-styled cowgirl, the type to make you bleed. Look at man's back. Spine got more curves than a pool of Latinas.
I broke my back. Back is broken. Spinal.
Looking like a gummy worm hanging out of an unruly child's mouth. His brain putting in more cardio than David Goggins. I've never seen a bull unwilling to eject its rider. Man's must have been strapped to its ass. Look at the height his body got in the air. But it was at this moment that man's got sent to the shadow realm because Tauros kept sending his body right into its horn. Body limp like an 86-year-old appendage. But I got a question. Since he got knocked out on top of the bull and somehow was able to hold on, does this account for his time? Because this got to be a world record.
Wait, bring that back. I gotta see that again.
Let's put it in super slow motion. Look at this man's body. Doing the Superman like this a Soldier Boy video in 2007. Proceeds to go underneath the bull searching for teats. Hits the around the world nay-nay, all en route to going to the other side of the bull so the left side doesn't feel neglected. Then proceeds to get ejected from the animal. His legs do somewhat of a horizontal split while his lifeless body falls underneath the bull. Then to make matters worse, if this bull just so happened to graduate from Stone Cold Steve Austin University, he would have stomped a mud hole in that man. Death might be a foregone conclusion, but paralysis gotta be a guarantee. Man's is Joe Swanson out there. His homies tried to drag him to safety, but the bull said keep him here.
What are you doing over there?
Excuse me, bitch?
If this ain't one of the worst ways to go out, I don't know what is. I hope he don't got no family in Illinois. I know they hate the Chicago Bulls now. You can't convince me we didn't just watch this brother become unalive on screen. He gon' need 16 Sinzu beans, 27 visits to Recovery Girl, all 7 Dragon Balls and Millennium items, unlimited visits to the Pokemon Center. Forget a medic, that brother need a restart on life. Somebody please call the goddamn EMT.
Let me see that again. I didn't get a good look at that.
Finish him!
Snake, are you okay? Snake? Snake! Yo, asshole! This motherfucker's dead!
That nigga is dead! D-U-D! Damn! Put that nigga ass in the dirt!
Welcome to your first day in the afterlife.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh?
Oh my god.